Ever wondered how YouTubers make their videos flow so smoothly from one scene to another? The secret is transitions, and in this video I will show you exactly how to add them in DaVinci Resolve step by step. Hey, welcome back to DaVinci Cuts, where I make video editing simple and fun. And if you are new here, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the future tutorials. Let's get started. Transitions are the effects that connects the two clips, making the change from one to another more natural or stylish. You have probably seen in simple cuts, fades, wipes, or even a flashy animations. These are the all types of transitions. They help to maintain the viewer's attention and keep your video looks polished. First, drag your clips into the media pool of DaVinci Resolve. Then drag them into your timeline and cut the portion you want so that there will be no unnecessary footages before or after your main content. Now go to the top left and select the effects panel, then go to video transitions and you will see a dissolve library here where there are 6 transitions like additive dissolve, blur dissolve, cross dissolve, then deep to color dissolve, non-additive dissolve and the smooth cut. Now pick the one you want and simply drag it between your two clips like this. Then you can play it. So this is how the transition will feel. Now if you want to adjust the transition, just click on this transition, then go to inspector panel, then adjust the duration accordingly. The more time you will give, the more cinematic it will feel. Then select your alignment accordingly and select the ease. I prefer in and out for the transition, so this is how it feels. Then you can use the others in same way like blur dissolve, then cross dissolve, then non-additive dissolve. Now you can see that how it feels. For example, a cross dissolve might look good for a soft fade, while the smooth cut works well for hiding the jump cuts. Always preview the transition by playing it back. If it feels good, shorten the duration. If it feels too quick, then make it longer. Remember, less is more. The transitions should enhance your video, not distract from it. If you want to learn more video editing tricks in DaVinci Resolve, then make sure that you will subscribe to the channel and check out my fully playlist link down the screen right now. See you there.